So we now get straight into the action. Earlier we had the toss in Spanish Town Primary 1. They decided to go first. In Section 1, both teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have 4 minutes on the Guardian's new Ultimate Provider clock. We begin with Spanish Town Primary in Bible Knowledge. Who told Job to curse God and die when he was severely ill?
His wife.
His wife.
Correct. Bible Knowledge to Friendship Primary. Who was the father of Jacob and Esau?
Isaac.
Correct. Science to Spanish Town. The moon is kept near to the earth and is stopped from flying off into space by what force?
Gravity.
Correct. Science to you, Friendship Primary. What is the name for the path of a planet around a star?
Orbit.
Correct. Social Studies. This is a visual question to Spanish Town Primary. Please look at the monitor and identify the Jamaican parish highlighted.
Saint Mary.
Correct. Social Studies to Friendship Primary. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the Jamaican parish highlighted.
Westmore.
Hanover.
Correct. English Language to Spanish Town Primary. Please form an abstract noun from depress.
Depression.
Correct. English Language to Friendship Primary. Form an abstract noun from amaze.
Amazement.
Correct. Television to Spanish Town. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Ben.
Incorrect. Ron Stoppable. Television to Friendship Primary. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Tutti.
Ryan the Weasel.
Incorrect. Rufus. General knowledge for Spanish Town Primary. Port of Spain is the capital of which Caribbean country?
Trinidad and Tobago.
Correct. Friendship Primary. General knowledge to you. Bridgetown is the capital of which Caribbean country?
Barbados.
Correct. Sports to Spanish Town Primary. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Michael Williams.
Incorrect. NBA player Duncan Robinson. Sports to Friendship Primary. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
James Harden.
Incorrect. NBA player Jimmy Butler. Social Studies to Spanish Town Primary. Which indigenous group still lives in Dominica?
Caribs.
Correct. Social Studies to Friendship Primary. How were the foreheads of the Tainos described?
Flat and broad.
Correct. Spanish Town Primary. Music. Alan Hope is the birth name of a famous Jamaican dub poet. By what name is he better known?
Fancy Cat.
Incorrect. Muta Baruka. Music to you, Friendship Primary. Jephthah McClymont is the birth name of a famous Jamaican singer. By what name is he better known?
Sesaba.
Incorrect. Luciano. Mathematics to Spanish Town Primary. What number, when added to 188, is equal to 955?
$767.
Correct. Mathematics to Friendship Primary. What number, when added to 419, is equal to 903?
$484.
Correct. Spanish Town Primary, Jamaican Affairs. Please complete the Jamaican proverb. 1 cocoa.
Full basket.
Correct. Jamaican Affairs to Friendship Primary. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Puss and dog na have.
The same look.
Correct. And that is the end of Section 1. The scores are Spanish Town Primary on 8 points and Friendship Primary also on 8 points. Before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip for children from Guardian's new Ultimate Provider. And the tip is, online classes should not stop you from going outdoors. turn off the devices at specific times during the day, and get in some physical activity. Please stay with us. The second match in round 3 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge quiz continues after this.